Good evening and welcome back. I'm meteorologist Adam Epstein. We had a few showers move through central Maine earlier today. Now they're starting to dissipate, but there is still some rain down in York County. Some moderate to heavy rainfall in North Berwick indicated by those yellows and oranges and over towards Sanford. And this is all pulling away towards the coast, close to Ogunquit and Kennebunk on Route 1. And as you pan out, you can kind of see a line of green here. This shows a cold front, and that cold front's dropping in from the north. On the north side of this front is some cooler, drier air, and you could see that on our dew points. Notice we're in the mid-60s in Portland. That means it's muggy and sticky outside. If you've been outdoors, you can feel it. Then further to the north by Rangeley, 36 degrees is the dew point. That indicates very dry air. So the answer to the question of, is tomorrow going to be humid, is no. Here we are tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., maybe a shower, but notice some clearing to the north. In central and southern Maine, we are still mostly cloudy. Throughout the day, probably not going to see any sunshine. By 4 o'clock, temps in the low 50s, cloudy, some spotty showers, but it will not be a washout for day 2 of this holiday weekend. Over the next 24 hours, temperatures are a big story. We're going to be dropping throughout the overnight and actually hit our high temperature around 10 in the morning. Come noontime, temperatures are decreasing, so it's going to be a much cooler day. If you have any cookouts planned, you might want to bring a sweater, maybe just eat inside. As we go into Memorial Day, temperatures remain cool in the upper 50s at the coast, low 60s inland, still cloudy, but once again, not a washout. Over the next 3 days, a couple days in the clouds and cool, but then Tuesday, the sun is back and the heat is back with it. 80 degrees. Wednesday, we have a shifting sea breeze, so it'll be a little bit cooler at the coast at 73 degrees, but inland near 80 degrees, so it's nice twice. We'll hit the peak of our heat on Thursday in the mid-80s, and then we could get some tropical moisture on Friday and Saturday. There's a chance of showers with highs near 70 degrees.
Meteorologist Adam Epstein is tracking where that warning is right now and the threat over the next few hours as well, Adam.
Greg, thank you very much. We're seeing this line of showers move across Oxford County right here, and this is that small cell that we're worried about. It's small, but it is potent, so we can zoom on in, and it's enough to warrant a severe thunderstorm warning. That's this yellow box. It's in effect until 5:45, so 45 minutes from now, this is still in effect. It's in East Stoneham, and these rainfall rates are impressive. You're seeing those dark shades of red right there. We can ID some of this. These are rainfall rates around 2-3 inches per hour, so downpours. Gusty winds included as well. This is headed for South Waterford, Harrison, Norway, and Paris. When you look for a tornado, a signature on the radar, 2 things you look for. 1, the hook echo, and you kind of see it right here. That's our hook. 2 is our velocity signature, and it's pretty strong here. It just moved, so this is progressing. We're seeing it move in real time here. Red's away from the radar.
Let's check in with meteorologist Adam Epstein. Adam, you're not tracking a lot of precipitation this week.
No, overall this is going to be a dry and warm week here in vacation land. We did have some rain today, but that front is moving offshore, and you can see a little bit of this green. This is an outline of the front right there, but closer to home here in central and southern Maine, the clouds are moving out. So if you look outside right now, the stars are out there, and temperatures are cooling off. It's not too chilly out there. 59 in Portland, 60 in Lewiston, 61 for you in Augusta. And the next thing we want to look at are the lows for tonight. Temperatures are fairly mild for overnight lows. 51 in York, 50 for you in Kennebunk. And then further inland, the Valley of Sanford, that's generally a cooler spot, 46 degrees for you. We'll be in the upper 40s close to Portland, Freeport 47, 45 inland towns like Lewiston and Waterville. Newcastle of Midcoast Maine, you're going down to a low of 46. And everyone in Wiscasset, hope you're having a good night. 46 degrees is your forecast low. Finally, tomorrow, this is going to be one of the best days of the year. Temperatures in the morning will be comfortable, crisp, low humidity, sunshine, 59. Midday going up to 71. Highs will top out in the mid-70s, and you probably won't see a single cloud. By 5 o'clock when you're driving back home from work, 74 degrees, sunshine. I really don't know how you can make a better day than tomorrow. So mark this one in your calendars. Could be a day of the year. We'll talk about a warm stretch and also the chance for rain showers on Tuesday coming up in the full forecast. First, Taylor, back to you. Wednesday is coming to a close. The thunderstorms are done for the day, so let's take a moment to talk about the weekend. It's not too early for that. On Saturday, we'll start off mostly cloudy, and in the afternoon, towards the evening, might get some thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Still a bit muggy that day, but Sunday's the better half of the weekend. Sunshine, lower humidity, temps in the upper 70s. Outdoor events look like they're better suited for Sunday. Looks like a great day for people in vacation land. Here's a look at the Eastern Promenade in Portland from an aerial view, and you could see this fog bank right along the Eastern Prom. Pretty incredible to see. This is because of the humidity, all the moisture in the air. It just feels very muggy outside, and that's because of the dew point temperatures. 66 in Portland, 66 in Lewiston, Fryeburg, you're at 65, and dew points measure the amount of moisture in the air. We're in the 65 to 70 range, so that is uncomfortable. As we get towards Sunday, we'll be back in the 56 to 60 range, and on Monday, we're going to feel pleasant, a nice crisp feel in the air. So here's our dew point temperature trend. Tomorrow still very muggy, and then slowly but surely it goes down. Sunday's more comfortable, and there it is on Monday, 53 degrees, and that's going to feel like a different story. Our satellite and radar shows a cold front off to our west in Canada, and this is the front that gave us showers yesterday. It gave us storms today. It will give us thunderstorms tomorrow, Friday, and finally itself will pass by on Saturday. It's a very slow mover. It's stalled out to the west, and that's why it's taking so long for it to move on by. And day after day, it's providing us with a chance for showers. The remnants of today's showers are up to the north and northern Franklin and Oxford counties right here. Central and southern Maine, we're just dealing with clouds and a bit of fog tonight. Here's our storm tracker, and you can see the fog on the storm tracker right here off the coast, these lighter shades of gray. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., we are looking mostly cloudy, but very warm to start. Check out these temperatures near 70 degrees, and along with those warm temps, some high humidity. We'll see some breaks of sunshine. The clouds do crack, and then it sparks up some thunderstorms. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, very similar to today. We see some shades of green pop up on the map, a little bit of yellow here. That will indicate some thunderstorms. But I think the trend is it's the same direction as today. Most of this is inland towards the mountain. Maybe by Harrison, Bridgeton, see some thunderstorms. Most of this is to the north by Rangeley. Here we are at 7 o'clock. Still some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And these are scattered, isolated events. It's not a widespread thing that we'll be dealing with tomorrow. And then we go into Friday morning, 8 a.m. Start off with some fog, some clouds, warm temps in the 60s. We'll see some clouds crack once again, and here we are at 5 o'clock on Friday. It's like a broken record. Similar story here. Some more showers and thunderstorms Friday afternoon into Friday evening, but most of that stays away from the coast. And then Saturday, the front itself appears here on the map, and it's this line of showers, and this will move over us, I think, late Saturday. So most of the day is dry, although we are mostly cloudy. Tonight's forecast, 65, mild and muggy with a slight shower shot. For the most part, we're done with the rain. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, partly sunny during the day, but there is an afternoon and evening thunder threat, so you have to keep your eye to the sky. Here's our 7-day forecast, first at the coast. Tomorrow, Friday, same setup. Saturday, the front itself moves through, and that sets us up for a wonderful, spectacular sunny Sunday. It's the brighter half of the weekend, 78 degrees. It's a great day to get outside here in vacation land. On Monday, low humidity here. We'll start off with sunshine, but clouds are climbing ahead of the next storm system. I'll flip these numbers to our inland forecast, and Monday we're going to a high of 79 degrees. Tuesday, some morning rain, and then it should clear out by the afternoon. Cooler near 70. Wednesday, looks like pleasant weather here. Sunshine, 75, low humidity. Greg and Jen, doesn't get much better than that on Wednesday. I think that's perfect weather if I had to pick a certain day.
I agree.
Yeah.
And Sunday, Wednesday?
Sunday looks great too.
Great.
Yeah.
Right. Sunday is going to be a spectacular day as well. We just have to watch out for the thunderstorms the next couple of afternoons.
Yeah, not too bad.